Frogs' ingenious egg defense tactics across species. Frogs have developed unique strategies to protect their eggs. Each species has its own method, shaped by evolution to ensure survival. One common approach is laying eggs in water. Water prevents the eggs from drying out and provides a safe environment for hatching. Some frogs choose to lay their eggs on leaves overhanging water. Once hatched, the tadpoles simply drop into the water below for safety. Certain species opt for foam nests. These frothy structures float on water, offering protection and keeping the eggs moist. Tree frogs often lay their eggs in small water pools found in tree holes. This minimizes the risk from predators and desiccation. A few species use their own bodies for protection. For example, the female Darwin's frog carries her eggs in her vocal sac until they hatch. The male midwife toad wraps the eggs around his hind legs, keeping them moist until they are ready to hatch. Some frogs create burrows in the ground where they deposit their eggs. This provides a humid and safe environment away from most predators. The red-eyed tree frog places its eggs on leaves above ponds. If threatened, the tadpoles can hatch early and drop into the water. Certain rainforest frogs lay their eggs in bromeliad plants. These plants hold small water reserves, creating a safe nursery for the young. Poison dart frogs often transport their tadpoles to different water-filled locations. This reduces competition and predator risk. Lastly, some frogs lay eggs that develop directly into froglets, bypassing the tadpole stage. This terrestrial method eliminates the need for water.